going to be a game changer, especially if you're working on cars. So what we got right here is the Milwaukee Tool M18 Precision Blower, part number 0887-20 is the tool only. This is going to be a game changer, especially if you're working on cars. So originally, I don't think it was designed for working on cars, but we're going to use it for working on cars. And I'm going to show you exactly how handy this little tool is going to be. So come with me. So the Milwaukee Tool Precision Blower is basically a combination of something like a leaf blower and some compressed air blowing nozzles like you see here. So basically what it does is it blows air, and it blows air at 570 miles per hour at 39 CFMs. So that's quite a bit of air pressure coming out this little nozzle here. So I got a perfect scenario for you if you're working on cars, right? And you want to pull your car in and it's raining outside like it is here. You got it inside the shop, then you can blow and dry off all the fenders and stuff. Then you can work on the car. So it's perfect for those auto detailers. So if you've just washed the car and you want to get in like the mirrors and stuff, and you can dry those off. It's raining right now. You can see it actually dried it dry. The Precision Blower features a few settings. It's got low, medium, and high. The highest setting is designed to go at 570 miles per hour, like I said, and it also features an LED light, so it lights up whatever you're working on. It's going to come in handy whenever you're working on cars, doing paint and body, engine work. I'll show you a few demonstrations. So, doing a sanding project, blow that dust off, or Bondo dust, or whatever. So it's basically like having shop air, but in a small portable tool. This sucker is super light. It only weighs 2 pounds, and plus whatever the battery weighs. So it weighs, like the battery itself weighs more than the tool does. So it's designed to work with any of the M18 batteries. So no matter what you got, a 5 amp or a 12 amp hour battery, it'll work on all of them. You're gonna see that's gonna come in handy right here. I got a bunch of rust in this window here. You'll see it. The feature that it has is it has this little portable tray that carries the tips. You can change out the tips, so it has a few different size tips. It's magnetic base. It has quarter lock turn, so you would turn it a quarter lock and you can pull it off. Same thing on the tool, quarter lock turn, pull it off. Now you can swap out the tips, just depending on what you're working with. This one's a little bit more finer tip. It'll probably increase the RPMs of the air coming out. This one's a little bit of wider opening, and then this last one here is for like inflating, like getting pool floaties or something like that. Those type of inflator tool. So in my little shop here, I was doing a paint project, and you can see I got some overspray kind of everywhere, and you see it does a great job of clearing that out. So it's pretty cool, pretty handy. It's just going to be like having compressed shop air with you, but now it's portable. And I don't have to fire up a compressor, and I don't have to run out a hose or anything like that. So this is where this tool is going to come in handy. So auto detailing, paint and body, just cleaning your shop, this tool is going to be pretty much in handy. So the next scene I'm going to show you is how I use it when I'm working on engines and stuff like that. So this is where it's going to come in handy. So here's a super handy use of this tool here. So before I take apart an engine bay, I like to blow it out with usually compressed air, shop air. But this little tool is going to make that job much, much easier. So get in there and blow that dirt and debris. Blow that dirt and debris off before you take the parts apart. That way all that dirt and debris doesn't fall down in your engine bay, cause any problems. So it's going to be a super handy tool. It only weighs about maybe 2.5 pounds or so. It's super light. Most of the weight is in the battery itself. Another scenario where it would come in handy, say if you wash the engine or detail the engine and you want to dry everything off, you could use this to dry the connectors off and get the water out of all the spots and stuff like that. All right, guys, there you have it. The Milwaukee Tool M18 Precision Blower is going to be a pretty handy tool in the shop. So if you're considering adding it to your collection, on screen there'll be a little image that pops up. You can click that link and you can grab that there. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you for watching and encourage you to subscribe.